Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a coin called XCN or Onyx. So it has been pumping really hard, as you can see here, for past I believe 2 to 4 days. It has gone actually up and up and up, and it does not seems like it is going down anytime soon. So I will be covering the coin and see what is happening with it and what actually we can do to trade with it, or whether to buy it or hold it or something like that. So basically, first of all, what is Onyx? So Onyx is basically a liquidity protocol where users can earn, borrow and build. So basically they are one of the they are built on top of Ethereum. On Unlike other lending platforms where there are limited assets, Onyx actually offers NFTs as well as most of the ERC20 tokens. So basically this is a lending platform for a less popular cryptocurrencies, you can say that as well. So they also support ERC20, ERC721, which are NFTs, even ERC1150, which the users can actually borrow and earn the tokens. So basically that is what they had. Basically, as of now, if you do look at DeFi Llama and see what is their TVL, actually I forgot to check that, so that is my mistake on my part. So just a second, I hope they have a DeFi Llama, because okay, so they do have a DeFi Llama. So basically XCN itself is a DAO token. It is used for governance and utility. So in terms of their TVL, it's not much actually, which is not that good. So I believe that is because they have launched their version 2. As you can see, this is the version 2 of their token, also their platform. So which may be the reason why they have not they do not have a DeFi Llama as of now. However, the biggest problem with Onyx was that there was an exploit which actually resulted in users losing their a lot of money. So but to tackle that problem, they have actually launched a reimbursement plan for their version 2 hack or exploit, and I think because of that the Onyx actually pumped really hard. I think that actually won the community heart, as you can see here, and that may be the reason why it pumped and it's pumping going up. So another big update they have coming up, it's called MUSD, which is basically, just a second, so which is basically a stable coin which is called MetaUSD, which is Onyx DAO progresses toward the introduction of a new decentralized stablecoin, MetaUSD. This innovative stablecoin is designed to offer a native yield derived from the liquidity staking collaterals. Participants will have the option to utilize governance, endorse, custodian, or the decentralized protocol itself to mint MUSD, thereby earning yield in accordance with the governance protocol. Furthermore, an airdrop targeting XCN stakers will accompany the MUSD launch. So there will also be an airdrop, so which could be the reason why there is a lot of activity and a lot of buying happening around the XCN coin. So in terms of XCN coin itself, if you do look here, it is a governance and utility coin. So basically it is used to stake, and the staking, they do give out a reward in staking, and it is also used for payments, as you can see, and users can also vote and their platform as well. So in terms of its max supply, it has max supply around 48.4 billion. So it had over, I believe, 100, okay, so it had around 100 billion supply at first, and then to 68, and now they have over 48 billion. So that is a max supply and won't go more than 48. So they also burn the remaining token, as you can see here, from these things. So as of now, we also have additional burn as well, as you can see here. So that actually got the token to the 48 billion supply, to 48 billion supply, the max supply. In terms of its circulating supply, the circulating supply is around 27 million, oh sorry, 27 billion, as you can see here, and the rest is controlled by their treasury and their DAO. So if we do look at their treasury, so just a second, they have given, as you can see here, treasury actually holds around 15 billion of their token, and the DAO holds around 9 billion. So the treasury the XCN treasury was granted 15 billion to utilize and advancing blockchain and web3 initiatives, so to create so basically they will be using this to expand their tokens and such thing. In terms of their DAO, which is under the allocation of this is for the stakers to use the fund, something like that. So in terms of their update, they have a big update coming in which is called MetaUSD. So I think many users are expecting that, and which is the reason, which may be the reason why it's pumping as of now. And in terms of tokens, as you can see here, there is a big APY on these NFTs as well, so user can actually use this to earn a lot of APY as well. So in terms of its market cap, it's around 96 million, which is pretty good. That means it does have a potential to go up. So what do we say, in terms of their platform itself, it is a fork of I believe Cursor. Oh sorry, just a second, it should be somewhere around here. So so their token is actually, just a second, let me search. Okay, so it is a compound finance fork, which some additional things about NFTs and other things. So in itself it is a pretty good project, but they do had a hack, which is a pretty big thing. So you have to keep in mind that they actually got hacked, which is not a good thing, because that does not actually put a good light on them. So in terms of the governance, as you can see, there is not a lot of activity going on as of now. We do have the proposal which was around December of 2023. So recently there is nothing going on which can be said that it is impressive and it could go up. So if we do look at their Twitter, as you can see here, the hype behind their project is because of the biggest NFTs such as what do we say, BAYC, CryptoPunk, even MAYC. So those are the biggest NFTs, so which could be the reason why it is pumping, and those users could be utilizing this one. So in terms of its price, if we do look here, it has gone up, and it had a high of, I believe, 10 cent, which is a pretty high, and as of now it's way below that point. So what we should be looking at is this resistance. If this resistance is broken around 0.009, it could be heading toward these levels, but it's far back. So let's just look at the recent resistance, which it needs to break to high. So it has actually broken this resistance around 37, which is pretty good, but still it did not hold this one. So if it were to hold this resistance, I thought it could go up, but it did not. So in terms of daily chart, I believe what we need to be looking at is, yes, this one. So I think we need to break the resistance again. So if it is able to hold this resistance in terms of in a 4-hour or even 1-hour chart, and it as you can see, if it had retested here, it should have gone up, but it did not, which means it's going down. So what we need now is to get in around somewhere here and wait for it to go up, because they have a big update coming in, and I think it could be the reason it could be going up. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thank you.